Hey everybody, Lane here. I am so excited to show you exactly how my agency is getting incredible results for our dental clients using Facebook ads. Let's dive right in. 10,000% ROI, not even kidding. So let's take a look. So this is behind the scenes into one of my dental clients' ad campaigns. As you can see here, this is the last 4 days, 23rd through the 26th of February, and 18 new patients signed up. We spent less than $80. That's $4.33 per new patient that's signing up. I don't know of another marketing medium, and I've been in dental marketing for 10 years. I don't know of another marketing medium that can get these kinds of results. And in fact, this is one of my clients right here in the States. Let's look at the behind the scenes. Here we go. So this is actually where, when they click on the ad, this is where they come to actually sign up for the offer, whatever it is that we're giving to them. And right here, you can see these are all the people that showed up. These are the people who actually signed up. That's more than 34% signing up for the offer. What that means, and that's actually awesome. The industry standard is 20%. So we are blowing industry standard out of the water. And what that means is that we're talking to the right people. We're giving them the right offer. And these are people that are ready to buy. That's exactly what you want, right? So, and just so you know, this isn't a fluke. Let's see. I have another client this is Australia. So this isn't, so the first one was United States, this is Australia. These results are not like special. This is what we do every day for our dental clients. Right here, you can see $85 spent, 22 new patients. This is the same 4 days, last 4 days. $3.84 per new patient. I mean, these are results that you just can't get anywhere else. This is exactly why I left all the other traditional marketing behind and focused solely on Facebook ads in our agency, because I worked with traditional marketing. I know that when I send out a mailer, it's going to cost me $70, $80, sometimes $120 per new patient to get in through the door. Same with TV, radio, billboards. They're all extremely costly marketing measures. And here, you're literally, it's pennies compared to what you spend with other marketing mediums. So especially if you're on a tight budget, this is something that you need to be using for your practice. If you need new patients, then this is what you want to be using. Now, if you want to know how to use it, I know that this is this can seem very confusing and technical and all that stuff. Then just use the link below, sign up to talk to us. You can tell us a little bit about your practice. We'll look into the behind the scenes. We'll talk strategy with you, and we'll figure out if we're really a good fit for each other. But just go ahead and click that link below. It'll take you to a page that'll take you to our calendar, and we'll talk about how we can get these kind of results for your practice.